Hi guys, in this video I want to talk about follow-up when you're an exhibitor at a trade show. My name is Carl Craig West and I head up the team that organises the Leicester Business Expo. Now, in my experience, the follow-up from your trade show, from exhibiting at a trade show or expo, is the most important thing you can do in your marketing and in your trade show exhibiting. And the reason I say this is because it's highly unlikely that you'll make sales on the day. It's absolutely vital on the day to get people into the position where they're expecting you to follow up. Exhibiting a trade show is all about creating and starting conversations, generating interest to take people to the next step. And that next step needs to be fully and properly planned. So I'm going to go through a few pointers on making sure that your follow-up is effective and that you're getting the maximum out of all of the connections that you make at a trade show. Now, first things first, if you say you're going to follow up, make sure you do it. One of the biggest frustrations I have in business is people who don't do what they say they're going to do. And if you have a good conversation with somebody and you're there for a little while and you say you're going to send them something or drop them a line or give them a call and you don't, instantly you've shot down your own credibility by not being able to do what you say you're going to do. Now, I know that everybody at some point in business makes a mess of this. We've done our fair share, but it doesn't mean that should be the norm. Your norm should be we do what we say we're going to do. So make sure that if you say you're going to email them, say you're going to send them something, say you're going to give them a call, do it. Another great thing to have is a script for follow-up and a plan for doing it too. I always recommend that you follow up with everybody who came to your stand within 48 hours, preferably the following day. So the key thing is to follow up, so have a plan to follow up. So it could be that the following day you've got everybody into an email list and you've emailed everybody who was there. Make sure you personalise the email, so if you spoke to somebody called John, make sure your email says, "Hi John." If you say you're going to give them a call, say, "Look, we're going to give you a call in the next couple of days, just wanted to follow up with this quick email while we collate all the information that we gathered." There's nothing wrong with that. The fact of the matter is, you're following up. Now, here's a frightening statistic. In my experience, fewer than 1 in 20 exhibitors will follow up with everybody they meet at a trade show. I don't know how many times I've put a business card into a goldfish bowl to win a bottle of champagne and I never ever hear from them. Now, I don't understand why you're going to bother collecting all these business cards if you're never going to use the data. I might not be an ideal customer for that particular company, but that doesn't mean I don't know people who may be. So you never know who knows who. So I would say follow up with everyone. If you're going to get a business card, follow up. At the very least, drop them an email just to say you've got you on our database. Great to meet you, maybe briefly, etc. Here's more about what we do. We'll keep in touch. That is just low-hanging fruit, and it's so easy to do, and email marketing systems are free. And to some extent, you've no excuse for doing this. So the point I'm trying to get across here is that follow up, follow up, follow up. If you go to a trade show with 100 exhibitors, you put your business card in every single one of them, I'd be willing to bet you'll get no more than half a dozen follow-ups. And to me, that's scandalous. Why would you bother embarking on a sales process or a marketing process and do no follow-up? It makes no sense whatsoever. So anyway, if you've got any questions on this, please let us know. We're here to help. Please write comments below. We always respond to comments on our videos and our blog posts. But either way, when you go to a trade show, make sure that you've got a plan for following up. Not just for those you have a conversation with, but definitely follow up with them. But everybody you meet, every business card you get, do some follow-up in some way, shape or form. I promise you your results will go up from exhibiting at trade shows, even if you just get to grips with this. But the day wasn't that good itself, but you get to grips with follow-up, your sales will improve. So that's enough for me. Appreciate you watching. Thanks a lot. Bye for now.